Hi guys, welcome back again to this channel. So in today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a Microsoft account using your mobile phone. First thing you need to have is a browser on your phone. You can use any browser, either Edge, Chrome, whatever you have, or if you're having an iPhone, you can use Safari. Now, open your browser and search for Microsoft Sign Up, and then click the first link, Microsoft Account. Now you will be headed to the Microsoft page. You can't see any sign up button there, so just click Sign In. And then you will see here in the Sign In option, below it is the words No Account, Create One. Just click the Create One link. Now you can create your account. Make sure you have an email ready that you can use to create your Microsoft account. So in here, just enter your email, then click Next. The next thing is that you need to create a password. Make sure you create a strong password so that your Microsoft account will be secured. Once you created a password, click Next, and then you will receive a code in your email, this email that you use to make a Microsoft account. Go to your email and get the code. Copy the code and paste it here. Then Microsoft will create your account, but after that, they will need to make sure that you're not a robot, so just follow these procedures. It might be different on your end, but for mine, this is what it is. So once you're successful with that, your verification will be complete. And now, you have your Microsoft account. And that's it. That's how you create a Microsoft account using your mobile phone. If you like this kind of videos, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell for you to get updated. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.